What's up, guys? Welcome to this video. This is amosoft. Now the market crashed exactly as predicted in our previous video we did yesterday. And guys, if you are new to this channel and if you love trading crypto, if you love investing in crypto or you trade forex, GBP, USD, make sure to subscribe. Do yourself a favor and subscribe to this channel. Guys, let's push this channel to 3,000 subscribers. We can do that very easy. Guys, let's head over to the chart and see what the market is gonna do next. Now, first pair we're going to look at is the GBP USD. GBP USD this week was just crazy. Lots of profits, lots of pips. Like, it was just like magic. All right, if you've been following my analysis for some time, you see, or throughout last week and also throughout this week, you see that I started shorting all the way from this level, and I did short from this level down all the way to this area, then took some long sale yesterday when the market pumped all this way, closed this right here. I shared some of the results in our WhatsApp group. And guys, before I forget, make sure to check the link below this video and join our WhatsApp group or Telegram group. Follow us on Facebook. We are everywhere, guys, at Online Money Mines. All right, now after taking this long trade, I also took this one which I closed just this evening before the market is about to close, like in the next 15 minutes. So I've taken my profits, closed all my trades, so that I can enjoy my weekend. That's how it's supposed to be. So yesterday I told you guys about this trade right here and how I think it was going to play out. And yeah, it actually played out exactly as I predicted it, though I did close at this flip zone right here, this line right here, and market also went below that. So now what I'm expecting GBP USD to do in the coming week is that I'm expecting it, let's go down to 2-hour time frame, which is my favorite time frame. What I'm expecting it to do is to kind of shoot up back to retest this area, then maybe do create some kind of double tops or something like that, or head and shoulder in the smaller time frame. Then it will go back down, because the overall target from this downtrend is this area, which is more like a psychological area at 1.20, right? So if you're trading forex, this is the move you should be looking out for in GBP USD in the coming weeks. Okay, now let's head over to the big boy, which is Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin actually did exactly what we predicted in our previous video. I will not want to go to show you that video, but if you watched that video or you've not watched it, just go to our channel, check out this video and see what we talked about that particular move, and it played out exactly as predicted. So and in that video I told you guys that I'll be placing some buy limit orders anywhere around 21,600 to 21,650, and that was actually when I started placing this trade. And on my Binance account, this trade already running. Now currently I have this trade running. I'm not going to use this place this trade without a stop loss. The stop loss is actually a tight one, as you can see right here. It's just somewhere around 21,300. The reason why I'm doing this is because there is something in this chart. You see, I still have this feeling that we are going to drop further. Okay, I'm also going to be explaining that to you when I will talk about the dollar index, because I think we're going to drop a little bit. So if in case we drop a little bit, let's say down to 21,000 or maybe just slightly below 21,000, then I'm also going to place back a buy trade. So but the reason why I place this trade is because I'm expecting a sharp bounce from this area. Okay, maybe going all the way to retest 22,400 and 22,500, okay, before maybe we can see some kind of move back down again. That is why I'm holding this trade currently. So my orders from 21,700 to 21,600, they've all been filled, and I'm currently holding the position. I've been talking about this flip zone for quite a time now, so right now I'm just going to remove it because we've crossed it, so it has done its job. Now let's go to the daily time frame and see what Bitcoin looks like in the daily time frame. Now in the daily time frame is looking quite nice. The retracement has been done, and this level, as you can see over here, is a key area because of this massive action right here, and also this volatility over here, and I can also see something like this over here, and for the fact that is around 20, for the fact that it's around 21k somehow is also a psychological area, you know, in crypto. So this area should hold. If this area does not hold, then I see Bitcoin going below 21k around this area because of this volatility here, then before we continue upwards. But are we going back to the bear market? That I don't think so. I don't believe that, because this trend line right here is a trend line that got broken, and it broke out of this trend line, you know, with a massive move, showing us that we have broken out of this downtrend. So even if we go down, break this key zone, all we're going to do is that we're going to kind of create a kind of movement to test this trend line, because what Bitcoin is doing right now is that it is creating this trend line, as you can see over here. So somehow, it might be now, it might be in the future, we are going to somehow catch up with this, you know, this trend line to continue upwards, because that will keep the market balanced. So but currently, in the meantime, what I'm expecting Bitcoin to do is I'm expecting Bitcoin to have a kind of short-term rejection from the current position right now to maybe somewhere around 22,500 or 22,400. So that is what I'm expecting in Bitcoin. But in all, if you are trading Bitcoin from around 21,600 or 21,700, make sure to have a tight stop loss, because any break below here, we are definitely going to retest somewhere around 21, somewhere below 21k. So bear that in mind. Now let's take a look at the dollar index and see what is actually happening right there. Now the dollar index is still within our trend line. We are still trending downwards, but something actually happened right here. I told you guys about this zone. I think in my video yesterday I told you that this place is also a crucial area because of this bounce over here, and right here we are kind of creating what seems to be an inverse heads and shoulder over here, with this being the neckline. So there's every possibility that we are going to see dollar index shooting upwards to test this level, and if we look at that level, we'll see that that level is a key area. So if this happens, what is going to happen to Bitcoin is that Bitcoin is going to drop, like I said, to somewhere just slightly below 21k, okay, or maybe touch this trend line then before we continue upwards. So that is why this trade rate is actually very risky. But if you want to take it, make sure you apply proper risk management. So that is what I'm expecting from dollar index. But if we see a rejection in this area, if we see a rejection in this area, okay, and this trend continues, okay, then we are going to see dollar index fall, continue the downtrend, and then we'll see Bitcoin and GBP USD, you know, pumping back up. So that is the market updates, guys. And if you must take this trade, please remember to apply proper risk management. Guys, if you're new to this channel, if is your first time right here, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, do yourself a good, subscribe to our channel, and till the next video, it is God bless.